Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. This video is a part of the video, basically the prerequisite of a video that I have already done. I will attach that video's link in this video. What I was trying to achieve is to convert one language voice to another language's voice. So we have already done the text to text and then to speech conversion from one language to another, from English to Arabic. Now I am going to show you how we can convert a sentence spoken in English to Arabic, and in between the text will be converted and shown on the screen so that you can know the converted how the converted text looks like. The converted text feature can also be used, like if you want to basically do a voice assisted typing task. This part of the project can be used for that purpose as well. I recommend you to follow the other video and then go through this one so that you can understand the basically the purpose of this project clearly. Let's get started. So this video will help us to create a UI for this program. We are going to use two stack views, one vertical, one horizontal. The horizontal will contain two buttons, the mic button, which will be converted into stop button once we have started the recording, and once the recording is done the play button will become visible. And there will be two labels, one a title label and other is the recorded text label. So follow this video to get to that point where we can arrange the UI as shown in this video. So let's see how there was an issue that the title label was not completely visible. So this is how we are going to make it visible. And after that, we are going to connect the buttons with their appropriate IB outlets. Okay, here is the recorded text connected. Okay, here are the functions that are going to be connected: play recording and start recording. Okay, these will be the IB actions. So here we are adding the three relevant delegates: the SF speech recognizer delegate, AV audio recorder delegate, and AV audio player delegate. This will help us to basically connect the functionalities to this view controller. So what we have done up till now is basically we have set up few of the variables, an audio recorder and an audio player. Along with these two variables is recording is playing. We have hidden the non-usable UI elements in viewDidLoad function, and in viewDidAppear function we are basically writing a function that will ask the user to give access to the mic operations. Since I'm running this code on Mac using Xcode, so it will be accessing the microphone of my MacBook. But if I am going to run this code on a mobile phone, so it will access the mic of the phone. So you can do different type of tasks in all these cases. So case.authorized is the case that will be run once we are given access to the mic. So as soon as the view will appear, we will get a dialog box that will ask the user to give permissions to the mic. After that, you will see I'll be writing two functions, get document directory and get file URL. These functions will help us to basically access the file system of our simulator or mobile, since we need to save the recording somewhere before converting it into another text or to other languages. So follow the tutorial. So what we are doing here is basically setting up the recorder for the recording purposes. The different settings are set as you can see in the tutorial. Once we are done with this function, we will write a function to start recording. that will be connected to our mic button, that is an IB action. After that, I will cover the implementation of a finish recording function, because we need to basically close the recorder once we are done with the recording. So follow these steps. So here we are completing the finish audio recording function. It will convert the recorded speech to text. As you can see, we are going to set that converted translated text to self.recorded text. Okay, this will be the text which will be in English. It will be converted into Arabic in the translated text field. Once we are done with this function, we are going to implement a play recording function that will be connected to our play button. It will help us to basically hear what we have recorded. Before the player recording playing the recording, we will be implementing a prepare play function. So follow the steps as shown in this tutorial. So this function we have already implemented in the other video on translate button tabbed. It was previously translating a static text to Arabic. So but now as this text is changed, so I am setting some UI controls here. So the translate button and the translated text will become visible, and we will have the option to translate the text, to view the translated text here, and it will be spoken once it's converted. So I'm just connecting the buttons and the IB actions with the proper functions so that we know which functions will be called once we click a button, and all the UI controls will be shown or hidden if they are properly connected to their IB outlets. Follow this tutorial to make the appropriate changes. We need to basically set the appropriate uh, usage keys in the info file. So these two keys will be used: NS speech recognition usage description and microphone usage description. These are basically required to show why you need the microphone and speech recognition access to the user. This is how you can view it as a property list. These two, the privacy, speech recognition, and microphone usage, these are very necessary. If you do not add these in the info file, you are not going to view basically the dialog box that asks the user why the user want to access the microphone. So let's play the video, this program, to show you how it will work. For the first time it will take some time because the basically text to text conversion will take some time, as the text will be uploaded to Apple servers. So but once you have done with the translation of one sentence, the second, third, fourth onward sentences will take no time in conversion. Hello, 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 hello.
مرحبا مرحبا مرحبا.
Do you like this program?
هل تحب ذا البرنامج؟